I got me some sequence gin. Everybody got their cups, but they ain't chipped in. That is type of shit happens all the time. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine when you listen to the D.O.G. I got to cultivate and music that be captivating thee who listens to the words that I speak. If I take me a drink to the middle of the street.
My name is Big Snoop Dogg, and I'm the king of the West Coast. If you don't know, you do now. Bow wow.
I want to thank me. I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work. I want to thank me for having no days off. I want to thank me for never quitting.
We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceships fly, yeah. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight.
If you love someone, you say it. You say it right then, out loud. Otherwise, the moment just passes you by.
Bitch, you know I'm sexy. Ugh, go cold, just sex me. Bitch is slow, can't get on my speed. They stare cause they know I'm the I-T-T-I-R-L. You know I am that girl. Shh, bitch, don't kiss it. I ain't no friend, ATL.
Why are you weird? Why are you this way?
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
And I told him, oh, thank you, baby. And it's for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go. They just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes.
It's the final brain cell. Be-no-nee-no. Nee-no-nee-no-nee. Nee-no-nee-no. Nee-no-nee-no-nee-no-nee.
Damn, you are so funny. And I'm like, thanks. It's trauma.